Hello everyone and welcome to the FinLearn Academy and MTrade software. So in the series of week gone by, we are going to look at how week was and what are the key levels for a coming week. So in this week, we have seen a good amount of the momentum. That means in a one day, we have seen a very strong correction by the 4%. But in the latter part of the week, we have seen that all the loss has recouped in a 3 consecutive positive sessions. So we are back to the square one, we can say, and a weekly gain are on the flattish note. Month till date we have improved near about a 6%, but on the week on week basis this week was quite on the flat note. But yes, in the intra week we have seen a good amount of the volatility. So in one of our earlier educational sessions, we have learned that means in this upside momentum that has happened from 7,500 to 13,800 level. So whenever the correction has happened, there were two types of corrections: the corrections which were holding at a 4% dip and the recovery was happening, and if the correction was extending more than 4%, then it moves towards an 8 to 11% kind of corrections. But in this attempt, index has corrected by the 4%, and then afterwards we have seen the recovery on the high side. But now the two things over here is that we are at a peak of the expanded range candle, and in earlier candles also we have seen that when the prices has come at a peak of the expanded range candle, so there are a certain kind of the declining momentum that we have witnessed. But by the same time we are recovering from the 4% dip, so it indicates a kind of the positive momentum. So 13,800 level becomes like a make or break situations, but underlying tone remains a positive because the overall structure is quite positive, and the fresh round of the upside momentum that we can witness is above the 13,800 level. So if the prices are moving above the 13,800 level, it indicates a further negativity, and based on the Fibonacci extensions that we have seen in a previous week, so upside potential can be in the range of 14,000 to the 14,200 level. On the downside, 13,100 level, which is in a 4% correction, which is in a price action or role reversal level, the moving average support level was there. So this level is a very important from the positional perspective, we can say. So as far as the market is above the 13,100 level, the things are positive, but it is a very deviated level from the current level, or let's say for the swing traders or short-term traders, this level is quite far away. So to identify the important levels on the lower the immediate perspective, so let's have a look on the lower time frame. So on the 60-minute time frame, we can understand that this is what the regions we have seen earlier, but now this is what a potential support level is all about. So as far as 13,570 or 13,550 level is intact, the things are fine from the short-term perspective, and the move above the 13,800 level will give a positive momentum. If the prices are declining below the 13,570 level, so yes, there can be next best potential level is at around 13,100 level, but 13,100 level is a key support from the midterm perspective, and the major violations that we can expect once the market is below the 13,100 level. So this is what the key levels for the market that we need to look forward in a coming week. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.